Today's lesson is on angles of triangles. What we will learn today: to find missing angle measures in a triangle, and to find angle measures or find missing angle measures in a triangle using the exterior angles. 4 vocabulary words in this lesson: triangle, interior angle, exterior angle, and remote interior angles. Key concept: angle sum of a triangle. In words, the sum of the measures of the interior angles of a triangle is 180 degrees. So here's our model. We have a triangle, and this applies to all triangles. In symbols, we have x, or the angle measurement of x, plus the angle measurement of y, plus the angle measurement of z is going to equal 180 degrees. Keep that in mind for this lesson. A triangle is formed by 3 line segments that intersect only at their endpoints. A point where the segments intersect is a vertex. The angle formed by the segments that lies inside the triangle is an interior angle. So an interior angle is inside of the triangle. So our first example here says to find the value of x. And here's x. Let me choose a different color so you guys can see that better. There we go. Find the value of x in the Antigua and Barbuda flag. So we have x. We have 55 degrees is given in that angle, and then this angle over here, if you recall, anytime you have a right angle, that is going to be 90 degrees. And so as mentioned before, all the 3 angles have to add up to 180 degrees. So we can write an equation: x plus 55 plus 90 is equal to 180. You simplify that by combining the like terms, 55 and 90. 55 and 90 are 145. So you have x plus 145 is equal to 180. And then subtract 145 from both sides to isolate for the variable x. 180 minus 145 is 35. So the value of x is 35. You can check that. Take 35. If this is 35 plus 55, that's 90 degrees. So 90 plus 90 is 180 degrees. So 35 is correct. Example 2. The measures of the angles of triangle ABC, that symbol obviously represents a triangle, are in the ratio 1 to 4 to 5. What are the measures of the angles? So for this case, the 1, 4, 5 is the ratio. So what we're going to do is we're going to let x represent the measure of angle A. In other words, 1x. Okay. Then we're going to have 4x and 5x represent angles B and C. So here I can draw a triangle so you guys can see that. So we have A, B, C. And all we know is the ratio is 1 to 4 to C. So it's our x's are unknown. We don't know what any of these is, but we know that all together they're going to equal to 180 degrees. So we take 1x plus 4x plus 6x, or sorry, that should not be a C, it should be 5x. We write that equation equal to 180. Combine like terms. 1x plus 4x is 5x, plus 5x is 10x. We divide to simplify using the division property of equality. 10 divided by 10 leaves us with 1x is equal to 180 divided by 10 is 18. So now we know that angle A is 18 degrees. And once we know that's 18 degrees, then we take, so x is equal to 18. Then we're going to take 4 times x, which is angle B, replace x with 18, or 72 degrees. And then we're going to do the same thing with 5x. 5 times 18 equals 90, so it's 90 degrees. And obviously the triangle I drew is not to scale, because 90 degrees would form a right angle. So the measurements of the angles are 18, 72, and 90 degrees. Check those if they add up to 180. 18 plus 72, 90, plus 90 equals 180. I'm 100% sure that's correct. This next key concept talks about exterior angles of a triangle. So exterior meaning outside. Okay. So the measure of an exterior angle of a triangle is equal to the sum, so adding, of the measures of its two remote interior angles. Okay. So here we have this model. We have A, B, C. Those are the exterior angles. And then we have the measurement of angle 1. So in symbols, we can say the measurement of angle A, which is here, plus the measurement of angle B is equal to the measurement of angle C. So in order to find this angle here, we're going to add these two angles together. These are the remote angles to angle number 1. Our third example says, suppose the measurement of angle 4 is equal to 135 degrees. Let's go ahead and put that in there. Find the measurement of angle 2. So we're looking for this measurement there. So angle 4 is an exterior angle. And if it's an exterior angle, it's going to have two remote angles. So it's going to have 2 as a remote angle. And it's going to have L, K, M. So this angle over here as a remote angle also. Actually, we don't want to circle the K. We'll just call that X. Okay. So we're going to take the measurement of angle 2, which we don't know, plus the measurement of angle LKM. We know that measurement, right? It's right here, 90 degrees. That red box tells us that, so that's where we get the 90 here. So X plus 90 equals the measurement of angle 4, which is 135. Okay. So we're going to subtract 90 from both sides. I'll write the step in there since they didn't have it on here. So X is going to equal 135 minus 90, which is 45 degrees. So the measurement of angle 2 is going to be 45 degrees. And we can check that. Again, these two angles have to equal 135. So let's take 90 plus 45. Does that equal 135? 90 plus 40 is 130, plus 5, 135. So yes, 135 does equal 135. So the measurement of angle 2 is 45 degrees.